everyone. Today's new word is fab. It is also known as short form of fabulous. It means extremely pleasing. There are many other words which are synonyms of fab like beautiful, wonderful, astonishing, marvelous. Here I have given you three sentences as an example. Very first is I had a fab vacation at Dubai. Second, solo traveling was a fab experience for me. Third, the dress was so fab that I purchased it without delay. This word you can use in your cue card where you have to describe your experience of your tour, your journey, any happy moment, or the moment when you felt very much happy, extremely pleasureful event, or the event when you astonished by your parents or your friends, like that. So this word is very useful for you in your IELTS speaking task. So hope you understand the word and its meaning. So now it's your task, make one sentence and share in your comment section. Thank you, have a nice day.